and welcome back to my channel. My name is Candy. If you're new here, I want to welcome you, and I hope all my subscribers are having a fantastic day. Now, I wanted to come here today to thank you all because we have finally reached 10,000 subscribers, and it feels so awesome, guys. Just the other day, like a month ago, I was thanking you guys for reaching 5,000 subscribers, and here we are at 10, and it's all because of you guys. You guys are amazing. It feels good, you know, because it feels like your hard work that you're putting in is not in vain, and that's amazing. Now, today we will be doing something a little bit different to celebrate. We will be making some margaritas 3 different ways. I hope you guys will enjoy the recipe, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now let's jump right into it. Okay guys, so we are going to begin by making the classic margarita. Here I'll be using this tequila, but you can use any kind that you like. I also have some margarita mix. This is the lime flavor. I have some simple syrup, ice, fresh lime juice, and I have some salt. Let's get right into it. So you'll need a blender for this because we're making frozen margaritas. And what we'll do here is add our tequila. You can add as much or as little as you like. And then we'll add our lime juice. We'll add our tequila mix. And we'll add the simple syrup. And lastly, we'll add the ice. And we will just blend. It's super simple, and I feel like tequila doesn't really have any measurements because it all depends on your preference and what you like. So you can add as much or as little of the things that you like in here and just make it to suit your own liking. It's that simple. And we'll blend it all, and then we'll have a nice refreshing margarita. So what you want to do here is make sure that your glass rim is wet so that when you coat it in the salt will stick to the rim of the glass. And you want to swish it around until the rim is evenly coated with that salt. Then we will pour our margarita into the glass and we'll garnish it with a slice of lime. And that's it, guys. That's how easy and simple it is to make a classic margarita. So next up is the strawberry margarita. We'll be using some of the same ingredients like the tequila, ice, and salt. We have fresh strawberries and strawberry margarita mix. So basically we are repeating the same steps by adding all of these ingredients here and blend. That's simple, guys. So now we will add the salt to our glass, and then we'll pour our strawberry margarita into the glass and we'll garnish with the strawberry. It's that simple, guys, and it is super refreshing. If you don't like alcohol, you can do this without the alcohol. It can be a virgin margarita and it is still delicious and it tastes absolutely amazing. And lastly, we have our mango margarita. We are using the same tequila, some mango margarita mix, some fresh mangoes, ice, and salt. So I know you guys have memorized the steps by now. We'll add the salt, we'll pour our mango margarita, and we'll garnish with a slice of mango. And that's it, guys. We've come to the end of the margaritas, and they are super refreshing and tasty. And I do hope you guys give the recipe a try. Okay guys, so this is how I make my margaritas. 3 different flavors. It is perfect for the summer, so refreshing on a sunny day. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget guys, hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all the ingredients down in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!